Did you know that the richest 1% of the world's population owns more than twice as much wealth as 6.9 billion people? A staggering truth, isn't it? We live in a world where wealth is not distributed evenly. The majority of the world's riches are held by an incredibly small and select group of individuals. To better understand this, let's imagine the world's wealth as a gigantic pizza. Now, if we were to slice this pizza, the richest 1% would walk away with more than half of it. Yes, you heard it right, more than half. The rest of the pizza, a little less than half, would then be divided among the remaining 99% of the population. This leaves us with a reality where a handful of people have more than they could possibly consume, while billions have to make do with crumbs. Imagine that! A tiny group of people owning more than half of the world's pizza. That's a lot of slices. Now, how does this wealth get so unevenly distributed? It all comes down to understanding and leveraging financial concepts. Imagine we're all playing a game of Monopoly. You know, the one where you buy and trade properties, hoping to create a real estate empire. In this game, as in life, those who understand and use financial concepts to their advantage tend to accumulate more wealth. Take investing, for example. You wouldn't just keep your Monopoly money under the board, would you? No, you'd invest it in properties, hoping for a return. That's exactly what smart investors do in real life. Then there's compound interest. This is when your money makes money. In Monopoly, this might look like charging rent on your properties. In real life, it's the interest you earn on your investments. And let's not forget about asset building. This is like buying hotels and houses in Monopoly, which increase the value of your property. In the real world, it could be buying a house, a car, or even investing in your education. So, just like in Monopoly, the players who understand the rules of the game end up with the most properties and the most money. But here's the good news. Just like learning the rules of Monopoly, you can learn about finance and start your journey towards wealth building. It's never too late to begin. Taking action is the first step towards improving your financial education. The importance of financial literacy cannot be overstressed. It's like a compass guiding you through the sea of financial decisions you'll make in your lifetime. It's empowering, it's enlightening, and it's essential. So, where can one start? The world is brimming with resources. Books that offer insights into the world of finance, podcasts that discuss the latest trends, online courses that break down complex concepts into comprehensible nuggets of knowledge. These tools are at your disposal, waiting for you to tap into their potential. Financial education is not a destination, it's a journey. A journey that starts with you taking the initiative to learn and grow. So, don't wait. Start your journey towards financial education today. Remember, the game of wealth is won by those who understand the rules.
Thanks for watching. To watch more, subscribe.